So I moved into a new space not too long ago. I want to build out my room, start decorating. I need a bigger desk. I have a lot of stuff on my desk, as you can see, and I don't want to build it from scratch. So I'm gonna get some parts from IKEA, a little bit of hardware, and put together a pretty cool desk. Hope it looks good. So I think the best way to approach this is to build a 3D model first. You know, it can help you really understand what you want. And move it around without really having to make any purchases or really get too deep into a project right before you go, I hate this. So I'm gonna build my room in 3D, build the desk in 3D, and then we'll get to building. So I feel pretty good with this. This probably looks pretty short, but I spent a really long time reviewing and doing all this stuff. This is, yeah, exactly what I like. I've seen something similar to this, so it's not completely original concept. I just really like the look. It's like over here I can do some video shots, and here I can actually work and have my desk. So I really like this. I'm a fan. So delivery guys just dropped off first parts. Got the legs over here. Alex. So the parts are here. It's time to kind of tear this down. Let's do a time lapse. We got all the parts over here. Space is cleared out over here. So I think it's time to start building. Let's do this. Yeah, I know. They're just kind of like figure it out yourself. Thanks for the help. I've built a lot of IKEA stuff. Pretty nice, huh? That's a massive desk.
Yeah. Yeah, you scroll over your other monitor.
Give me a minute.
Overall, I'm extremely happy with how this project turned out. I love the desk. I love how it looks. I love how it feels. It's functional. I have a lot more space to work on, and I'm really excited to start working and using it. I think I have an idea for my next project. I think I want to start mounting some of my stuff to the wall with some pegboards. So stay tuned.